Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Student, myself Gopal Srivastav, I am teaching you science subject. Student, in previous class we have starting the explanation of the exercise of chapter number 3rd. Hope you are all be learn the tick the correct option, fill in blanks and the small question answer in between the topics. And also hope you have already completed your chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 in your science notebook as well as in your textbook. Okay student, now today we will discuss about some other question answer of chapter number 3rd. Okay, so open your book and take the homework copy or notebook copy and take pencil, eraser and pen. Okay, so today is 29 July 2020, class 4. Subject science. Topic, today's topic is EXER, exercises of chapter 3rd. Chapter 3rd. You know student, what is the name of this chapter? Your chapter 3rd is safety first aid. Okay student, safety and first aid. First aid. Okay, so I am also take the textbook for reading and explaining the question answer. So student ready? Fill in the blanks, take the correct statement and cross the wrong. Already completed. And today I will discuss from point number 3rd. Put the odd one out giving reason. Third, put odd, put the odd, put the odd one out and giving reason. And giving reason. You will write down in your homework copy as well as in your notebook copy, means fair copy. Third, question first. Canine premolars, canines premolars, molars and germs. Student, read very carefully. Canines is types of teeth, premolar teeth, molar teeth and germs is a microorganism. So what is odd one? This is germ. Write down student answer. Germs, because rest are types of teeth. and germs are microorganisms. Question number 2. Enamel, E-N-A, enamel. Jawbone, pulp and dentine. Dentine. Answer 2 will be enamel, the outer covering part of the teeth. Jawbone, it is the inner. Pulp, it is the innermost part of where the nerves are present, and dentine is the below the enamel part. So student, jawbone, enamel, pulp and dentine is the part of the tooth where jawbone is situated in the gums. So your odd one will be enamel outer part, dentine the outer part between the pulp and enamel, and dentine below the enamel. Okay student, and in pulp, all these are the not very sensitive, not for responsible to the toothache. Only pulp has the nerve cells, nerves and vessels, blood vessels. So your answer will be pulp. Pulp. Okay student, why pulp? Because rests are not very sensitive part of a tooth. So there are many reasons, but choose the most suitable reason for odd one out. Okay. Write down. If you have book, don't write the question. Write down only answer and write question after the completing your online classes with neat and night. Neat and clean. Okay, student. I am going to rub this. Question number 3. Healthy gums, gingivitis, plaque, cavity. Student, read very carefully. Healthy gums means the healthy gums, not any disease. Whereas gingivitis, plaque and cavity are the problem of the tooth. So healthy gums is odd. Answer 3rd. Write down question. I hope you have all purchased the book. Healthy gums because rest are REF referred to diseases of the tooth. Question number 4. Toothbrush, ice cream, floss, toothpaste. Read very carefully. Toothbrush is a technique by which we using the oral hygiene. Ice cream Now floss is a technique by which we can remove the food particles between the teeth. And toothpaste is also a substance, a hygiene substance, and only ice cream is odd one because it is cause of the tooth cavity. So we remove ice cream. Answer 4, ice cream, because rest are referred to oral hygiene method. Okay, write down. Student, after completing this chapter number 3, we will start the revision work. Okay, from chapter 1 and chapter 2, then chapter 3. Okay, student, hope you are all completed this. Question number 5 is insects, bacteria, protozoa, fungi. Insects, and student, bacteria, protozoa and fungi, these are the microorganisms, where insects are a large organism. So odd one out will be insects. 5, insects, because rest are microorganisms. I am going to erase the answer number 4. Question number 6 write down, and answer number 6. Question number 6 is influenza, dysentery, polio, smallpox. This is the disease, all disease. Influenza is caused by the viral disease. Dysentery caused by protozoa, polio caused by virus, smallpox also by virus. So dysentery remove means odd one, because dysentery a disease which is caused by the protozoa. Protozoa means amoebic dysentery. So remove dysentery, 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 because rest diseases are caused by virus. virus. Write down still. Now I am going to read point number 4. Give 2 examples of each of the following. Don't write in the rough copy or homework copy in the notebook. You will write down direct in the textbook with the help of pencil. Don't use pen. Okay, student? Then I am going to erase this. Write down fast. Give two example of each. Each of the following. Question number 1. Kinds of teeth. Student, there are 4 kinds. You know, write any 2. I will write down canines. And second, molars. Second, irritable that harm the teeth. So write down the substances which are harmful to the teeth for tooth decaying. What is 2 substances? Write down any 2. I will write TOAAR, toffees and cold drink. Any types of cold drink, very harmful. Eatable that make the gum healthy. So eat raw vegetables which make our gum healthy in natural process. And milk. Milk contains calcium which make your bone healthy, teeth healthy, gums healthy. 4. Disease caused by bacteria. Write down any 2 diseases, typhoid and cholera. TYPHOID, typhoid. CHOLERA, cholera. And 5th, useful microbes. All microbes are not harmful, only some microbes are very useful, suppose bacteria and fungi. Bacteria and second fungi. Complete this in your textbook, student. Now student, I am going to solve your next exercise. Next is give short answer, give reason for the following and answer the following. Student, I will discuss the all rest exercises in the next online classes. So try to solve yourself in the rough copy. So write down the today's homework. Learn the what number of today? Learn the odd one out. Odd one out and give 2 examples. Of chapter 3rd. Okay, don't run, don't go fast. Write down. Learn the odd one out and give two examples of chapter 3rd. Okay, student? Write down. Hope you are all complete your other exercise chapter 1 and chapter 2 in your share copy as well as in your notebook, in your textbook. Okay, student? Thank you. Once again, have a nice day. Write down the homework. Homework is very necessary. I will be discussed or asked to submit your homework. So please complete all these. Okay, student. Thank you once again.